What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, and you are tuned in for another one. Sitting down with your boy, got some photo updates, got some Chevy updates. We're gonna run through it real quick. Gonna try to keep it down to like 5 minutes or less. So let's get into it.
I'm keeping it my Chevy. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy. I got every gas Chevy.
What we got is a GoPro stand, Karma grip, not Karma grip. It's just a grip to hold a GoPro. I mounted it on there. It actually came with an extended arm, so if I'm doing it from an extended distance, you know what I'm saying, you'll be able to see it from a different point of view. This will help with videos outside of the truck that are being shot on the GoPro. Also, car show coming up. We want to get some smooth footage. There's a video coming about this little doohickey here. It's not too bad. With some practice, I can definitely get better with it. But yeah, video coming soon. What do we got next? I want to say that's it. You know, we got the new audio setup. Got this mic off of Amazon, 13 bucks, and it seems to be working pretty well. I'm using it with the wireless setup. This is like my third take. I'm gonna keep it G, and I think I finally got it to where I needed to be. So, band clamps, bitch. That's right, band clamps for the C10. The exhaust piping is gonna be getting banded up. No pun intended. Real soon. Also, what we have here is the vacuum hose is going to run from the back of the transmission to the intake manifold and give our transmission life and be able to shift. Did I miss anything? I ain't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for these upcoming videos that's coming and dropping this coming week. Identify your weaknesses, make them strengths. Gone.